So this travel season, the snowbird season, a lot of the theme seems to be kind of dragging Debbie around to places that are on my bucket list, not necessarily on her bucket list. And the Hoover Dam was one of these places. I wanted to see this dam. It was a mega project that happened during the Great Depression. A lot of these dam structures all throughout that whole system happened during the Great Depression. Now this one was a particular of interest. Now I've seen a lot of pictures of this project, never stood there and wanted to see this project, mainly because it was such a mega project back in its day, and nothing like this had been done at that time in the United States. You think back in the Great Depression about some of the major projects that had taken place, this was one of them, and I wanted to see it. You see pictures of it, it's never the same as standing there looking at it and going, wow. And considering it was built at that time, they tunneled through the mountains to be able to create a railway to bring materials there. It was a very cool project. So another one I drug Debbie along with, but I was glad we went. We are at Boulder Beach Campground, which is part of that Lake Mead National Recreation Area. And what a beautiful campground. Nice concrete pads, new pavement, and that is Lake Mead. And we're gonna go check out the Hoover Dam here in a few minutes. So what a beautiful place. Loving this campground.
It's a beautiful thing when you're traveling with your RV. We're at a rest area. What are you doing, Curtis?
Working.
Working? Just finished your lunch?
I did. Just finished my lunch and just doing some work emails.
Awesome. And then we're still hooked up. True Blue is pointing the right direction. And this is our view. Spectacular.
So Debbie, where are we?
Ben and Jerry's.
And where?
Vegas.
Vegas. And what did you get?
I got cookie, but you got dirt and worms.
Dirt and worms. I ate one gummy already.
Didn't spend your whole life with there's something bound to fall apart. Word got around to the fireflies and Baptists. My mama's phone started ringing off the hook.
All right, Debbie, what are we doing? Or what are we not doing?
Well, let me tell you a story. When I was a young person, even when my kids were young, I would never miss out on going out on a night on the town. That would be the highlight of my month. We did that last night, and we had a great time at the concert, and we came home, and we ended up staying up
2 o'clock in the morning.
2 o'clock in the morning. That's why I look like this. And we're supposed to go to Old Vegas tonight to go see the old strip. And I am...
Fremont Street.
I am exhausted. I tried to have a shower and got dressed and did my hair, and it is not happening.
Not much stamina.
No stamina. 50s are not fun for stamina. I can't pull off 2 nights in a row of 2 o'clock in the morning.